How big was it?
Under 1 million shares, but above 250K. See if I can zoom in on the chart and find it. Oof, look at the 1 minute. You can see it very easily. Massive volume candle. Looks like it was about 750,000 shares.
Big boy.
Biggest 1 minute
Yeah.
volume bar since the 14th. Huge. You can even see it on the 5 minute. It's massive. The first one was bearish, the second one was bullish, so they're kind of competing. Looks like it's topping it out a little bit though.
These 407s that I have for like 3 weeks now on SPY went down a bit yesterday, but they're up massively today.
Which ones?
I have 407.5 for April 30th on
Nice.
SPY. I think my delta's probably like 90 or something. Yeah, 87.07. It's almost like holding shares at that point, right?
Pretty much, yeah.
Now, why in the world would it say 74% POP if it's like almost $10 in the money?
Volatility is very high and unpredictable.
Oh, okay.
It's like that day I had those rocket contracts and they doubled my fucking margin. And then I called Tasty and I was like, what the hell? And they're like, oh, it could come back down to $20. I was like, it's at $30. It's probably not going to happen. She's like, oh, no, it probably can. And then it did. That's pretty much the same thing.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, it ended up coming back. She jinxed me.
What a bitch.
Yeah, I closed them for. I still made money, but they came almost all the way back.
Wow.
She was like, it went down $4 in the first hour of the day, so it very easily could come all the way back.
Look at the daily candle on ES.
That's disgusting, dude. It's literally a Bart pattern
Wow.
taken straight from crypto.
No, I mean like the daily candle.
Oh, I know. It's retraced
It
the past like 5 candles.
it retraced them all, and it's just a little bit above that
Look at the
pivot.
1 hour. It's the stupidest thing I've ever seen. This Bart pattern is literally cleaner than the Bart patterns from crypto.
It is.
It's so clean. It's the market makers literally left BitMEX and came to futures. This literally exact pattern where it failed, barred it up, distributed, failed down, and then barred back up. This happened in like September of 2018 or 2019 on the 1 hour chart. It did this for literally, I think it was like a day and a half. There was like 6 of these patterns back to back. It was destroying everybody. The 15-minute buy this morning was really good.
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about earlier, man. It didn't hit a take profit until it reached the top of this range.
Yeah, till now. Yep. And this is
Even
what I
though
was talking about.
we had
Yeah.
a couple pullbacks, but it still didn't hit take profit.
This is what I was talking about in Discord is when you're using the bot, there should be no time on the chart that you are taking profit and the bot's not telling you to take profit. Like, you don't have to use the bot's take profits, but you should never be taking profit if it's not telling you to.
Unless you know Joe Biden's about to talk.
Yeah, unless there's like some fundamental reason.
Wait a minute, say that again.
So like
Oh, you mean like
on the 50-minute ES,
like
you should not have taken profit at like 41.60 because the bot was not telling you to. So you should
I get
never
what
you should never take profit if the bot is not
yeah,
telling you to take profit.
yeah. Like you can, if you want to ride it, you can ignore the take profit
Yeah,
and let it run, but you shouldn't be cutting it out if the bot is not saying take profit.
exactly. You can ignore them, but you should never make your own. The 4 hour is very strong because it's giving a buy signal and it stopped out the shorts on the same candle. So those signals are usually pretty good. The daily's been in a buy since March 11th. Hey, Slayer. The weekly's been in a buy since May 11th of 2020. It's almost a year. That if you look at the monthly chart, COVID stopped out the longs. It's never stopped out the longs in the history of ES. COVID was the first time the monthly has ever been stopped out. That's how fucking wild that move was. It didn't even stop you out in 08.
2015, there's a so. Oh, you're looking at ES, not SPY.
Yeah, ES, yep. I'll take a look at SPY.
What happened in 2015?
Yeah, 2015 it stopped you out from shorting, not long. So still in the history of SPY, all the way to 1994, COVID is the only time it's ever been stopped out.
In the monthly.
Yep. And then it got stopped out for the shorts in July of 2016. Which was the election. I think that was when Trump... Yeah, that was right before Trump got elected. Because the election was in November of 2016.
Let me see, 2015. Then, oh yeah, up until COVID.
Yep.
Or 2018, sorry. What was that big dip in December 2018? I don't remember that. That wasn't the flash crash, was it?
There was some kind of crisis.
When was this?
2018.
It was after the election. Oh no, that was 2017. Yeah, maybe this was a flash crash I was thinking of in 2018. A couple years ago, there was one time where the market like dipped like a lot.
Yeah, Dow got slapped.
Yeah, the Dow got slapped hard, and everybody was like, "Oh my God, recession!"
Yeah, Fernando, the markets are back to looking bullish. They retraced the entire move yesterday, which is extremely rare. Well, it normally would be extremely rare. In this market, not so much. China tariffs, it might have been. It might have been. There's a website that you can go to. It's like, why did the market dump on this day? And like you can put in any date. You know, it'll tell you. I can't remember what site it is.
Entire Q4 of 2018.
Hey, Alan.
Okay, I see. I'm looking at 2018. Said it had its worst December since the Great Depression.
Yeah, I think it was trade issues with China.
Mm-hmm.
Was when Trump was not really working out well with President
Yeah,
Jinping.
yeah, that was it. I'm reading it right now. The ongoing trade war with Xi Jinping. And then that was when they arrested the Yahweh CEO. And the bond market was signaling doom that year.
Bitcoin taking profit on 15. Oh yeah, how did Facebook do on that trend? Oh, there you go. So there's the Facebook 1 hour buy with the trend break, and it's already starting to climb. This is what I was talking about. Too bad today's Friday. We could take lottos. Earnings is on the 28th. When is that? Wednesday. Amazon also breaking trend with a 1 hour buy, so keep an eye on that next week too. One-hour buy on Apple and Microsoft. So tech looks really strong as long as these aren't fake outs. So if we see strength on Monday, these should be very good. Are there any trials or discounts for the bot? The bot's not currently being sold. It's in beta testing. There's only two ways to get access: either be a Discord member, minus the $30 tier, or sign up to my FTX ref link and then send me the referral ID or your account ID and your TradingView username. The bot is getting very close to being full released. I just fixed the last remaining bugs. So currently, right now, there are no known bugs. And yeah, it's pretty much finished. The only thing that's not done that I wanted to have done before the release is the heat map that I wanted to go along with it. But that is probably going to take me a very long time. I'm going to try to mess with it this weekend, see if I can get it working. But if it's going to take me a long time, I'm probably just going to release the bot and then release the heat map later. I'm hoping to have it full released probably by the end of May, so within the next 3 to 4 weeks. Yeah, it's been going well. We got a lot of guys in Discord that are heavily testing it for me, and they all seem to be doing very well. It's really helpful having a lot more people to test. All my other indicators back in the day I had to mainly test by myself, and it took a lot longer. So this bot can be released a lot sooner than it would have been. A lot of resistance being formed on ES up here. So it is struggling a little bit. How's net doing? That was one of the breakouts called out this morning. Looks like it wants to go for another run. Very nice climb here. It had a buy candle on the first candle of the day, then you ripped up. Silver pulling back again. The next daily sell signal on silver, I'm done with it. I'm cutting all of my trades on silver if it gives another sell signal on the bot. I'm going to slowly start closing all of my trades on my main account that are not bot trades. And currently that's every single trade. There's the Discord, Alan. It's oasistrading.io/Discord. So here's that move on Dash that we were talking about. Little bull flag on the daily, and now we're starting to break out of it. 1 hour buy signal with the trend break. One of the best, one of the best strike rates on the bot is when you break trend and then you have a buy signal like that. So pulled back the trend a little bit, and now we're bouncing. Looks pretty good. You break that resistance around like 154. This should go higher, but the options are pretty bad on Dash. Very low liquidity. 4 hour buy coming in as well. So as long as you stay strong into the close, you should get a 4 hour buy. SeaWorld still playing out that ascending triangle that we were talking about. Very beautiful trade here. Daily buy came in. Little pullback to trend. Once you broke resistance, it went for it. PLTR is actually looking pretty good. I'm selling 25s on top of my diagonal, so those might get pressured a little bit.
I should have taken that Microsoft trade last month.
You can actually chart your coin on TradingView? How do you do that? Or is that a plugin? That's probably a plugin.
It's on KuCoin.
Oh, I gotcha. Snow looks pretty strong too. You break like 244 on snow next week, it should run. The infrastructure ETF IFRA is ripping, breaking resistance today. I say ripping, it's up 1.5, but that's pretty big for that. Steel's up 6%.
Which one?
IFRA, it's an infrastructure ETF. Steel looks pretty good too. 4 hour buy signal coming in.
Funny thing, the first time I ever got in this Discord, many moons ago, you were trading steel.
Yep. Steel's a good trade most of the time. I mean, shit, if we would have held from back then, it would have made a killing.
Dude, I'm so pissed I didn't take this Microsoft trade.
Is it going?
No, look, you know how you can see when you charted it?
Yeah.
You get that line? I charted it right when it was about to break out on the 1st of April. And then it just ran.
Microsoft's even more disgusting than ES because it retraced it faster. What's that? They call this like the Burj Khalifa or something. What's that tower called in Dubai?
The Burj Khalifa?
Yeah. That's a Burj Khalifa on Microsoft.
Yeah.
You just got to invert it.
I heard Khalifa. I thought something else.
NIU daily buy coming in. Did it break the trend? Yeah, you broke the trend too, so that looks pretty good.
So to use pancake swap, you gotta buy BNB and then switch it over to the same one we do with like BTC and switch it go buy BTC and then switch it over to the other token.
No fucking idea. Square doesn't look too good, Jared. You're in a daily sell, 4-hour sell, 1-hour sell. 50 minutes to buy, so you're trying to bounce, but higher time frames are all still selling. I do like the kind of potential bulldog though. So if it bottoms here, this could be a little bulldog, and we could pop up. But it can't go any lower. PayPal looks pretty strong. 50-minute buy was really good. 1-hour buy looks good too. So same thing here. You look for the trend. It gave you a 1-hour buy, not on the break, but right after you broke. So that's pretty good. As long as you're breaking the trend, it's solid. 4-hour, no buy yet. So that could be your signal. And then daily, you're still in a buy. You were in a buy from way back here. Which there's not really a clean trend here, but same idea. You broke the downtrend, buy signal, running up. For trends like this that are not really giving you a very defined trend, you can take horizontals instead. So like you look for the last kind of major high, and then you would say like, okay, here's a buy signal, but it could be a fake out until you break that high. And then once you break the high, there's confirmation. And then it went for a run, and then it took profit right on the top. So that was a clean trade. Kind of like what happened right here. Didn't really give you a trend to break, but it gave you a horizontal. And then it broke the horizontal, and then ran up, took profit. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Looks like it's a 382 bounce. Where's my fib? Yeah, it's a 382 bounce.
So instead of order books, they have a pool on these swap things. You can use your stake people and get a portion of the fees. Called syrups. So you buy crypto. Can you buy BNB directly? Or you gotta swap it from Bitcoin?
On Pancake?
Yeah, I think I gotta buy BNB, then switch it over to BSC, and then use that to buy their whatever freaking token on swap. It's so many steps, man. After two, it drives me nuts.
Wait, are you trying to buy this shit, Caesar?
Anything on Pancake Swap.
Buy BLM, bro. It's gonna go to the fucking moon.
I know, but how? What do I buy
You have to. So
BNB?
you have to. If you're gonna do it on BSC, you have to enable your wallet to trade BSC tokens. So here, I'll send you a link.
But what I'm saying is I have to buy BNB and then convert BNB to BSC
Yeah, exactly.
and then use BSC to get whatever token I want.
Yeah.
Yeah, send me a link because this I'm like sometimes it gets to be a pain in the ass. I like the fact I'm pretty sure you can do that on FTX also, right? You can stake other people and collect a part of their fees?
If JMA was here, he'd say you're blowing my fucking brain out, because that's what you're doing. Blowing my fucking brain out. What's going on, guys? If you invert XAU USD, it looks almost identical to Bitcoin. XAU, that's silver, right? Oh, gold.
That's
I always mix those fucking things
Yeah.
up, man.
G is gold. I mean silver, excuse me. XAG is silver, XAU is gold.
You're saying if you invert this, it looks like Bitcoin. Let's see. That didn't work. I didn't know you could do that now. That's actually pretty cool.
What?
You can put more charts inside your chart. Like if you go to the
like overlay it?
yeah, well now you can even do candles. You used to not be able to do candles. So like if you click the compare button, you can put like any chart inside your chart.
Just compare. Oh, compare.
The little plus button. I see what you mean with the comparison. That's actually really cool though. I need to mess with that. Not the comparison, I mean the chart thing. That's pretty sick.
It did align with me.
You can click on it and then go into your input. Or sorry, go into style and you can do candles.
Huh. That's pretty neat.
Yeah, so like you could have the 4 chart layout and you can actually turn it into 8. You know what I mean?
How do I make those wider or taller?
It becomes a bot. It can be, so do you have it on? Did you click new price scale or new pane? I
No.
can't remember which one I clicked. You got to click new pane and then you can make it bigger when you're adding it to your chart.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's pretty sick. So you could do like SPY and
new
Qs in one.
pane.
Yeah, you see what I mean?
New pane. Yeah, yeah.
Why is it doing that? It's like hiding a lot of my candles. You might have to do new price scale. Let me see.
SPY just hit all-time high.
Yeah, I'll mess with this later.
Woo woo.
Yeah, how gross. After the
After
the
yesterday.
news, what a joke, dude.
Hey, Smooch.
This is literally a fucking market maker
closed-
pattern.
I closed that freaking
I'm so
SPY
glad
called the hold.
I'm so glad I closed my puts.
Smooch, are you in here?
Yeah.
fucked. SPY, dude, you shouldn't have sold.
I know, dude. Whatever. I'll take my profits.
Dude, I had the same call. I had the same ones as you did. I bought them yesterday. I was down in the morning and I sold them for break even. And I just logged on now and I saw what they were at. I want to puke.
So nasty.
Hey,
It's called
I
getting
mean, I
rugged.
got like 100% profit. Or, I don't know. Not.
Yeah, what's 100% versus 300? What's the difference, right?
Illinois, man, you gotta try doing diagonals or buying a long call and just keep collecting premium above it. That way you can keep collecting money as it's going up.
He doesn't know what
Have
you're
you
talking about.
Have you ever done that? Like I have a 407.5 for April 30th. And this whole ride up, I've had it for 3 weeks, and this whole ride up, as it goes up and the contracts are worth more, I sell. And one for every one that I own. I can sell one without having to put up collateral. And then when the SPY kind of tops off or it comes back down, I buy them back for less than what I collected. And that's my profit. Then it goes back up, I sell it again, comes back down, I buy it back. And keep doing that until your expiration date, usually about a month or so out.
Yeah, I got to get into that kind of. I got to get into that. I know you do those diagonals all the time. I got to learn this stuff better. I'm still so new to this fucking stuff.
I had the 407s and a halves, and I sold a 417 like Monday, and on that big drop yesterday, I bought it back for like 80-90%. It lost that much of its value yesterday, and then I kind of didn't know if it was going to move back up today or not, so I bought it back, closed it, and now that it went back up, I was just naked my 407s. Now that we're up, probably by the time we close today, I'm probably going to sell another one for next week. Because when it's going up, there's a lot of value that gets pumped into the contracts than when it's going down.
True. Oh, well, it is what it is. Smooch, I said, would you got a 200 on the fucking Amazons? You didn't have a bad day.
Yeah, Mucky, SPY has been very hard to trade for a lot of the guys that are trading like swing positions. The people that are making money right now are the people that are scalping.
Is King in here right now or no?
Yeah, dude, I feel like fucking. Oh, dude, I'm doing so much shit at once. I can never imagine actually being a developer of like a real coin, dude. Holy shit.
Is the coin created? Did you make it yet or no?
Dude, it's made. It's live on PancakeSwap. I need to add liquidity to the pool, so I need people to send me BNB so that way I can add liquidity, and that way it's able to trade.
Well, come on. I'm expecting a come.
Excuse me. He was talking about Cum Rocket, that one that went up like 1,000,000%.
All right, I'm getting back to my golf round. I'll talk to you guys Monday.
Peace.
Later.
This is for my use. I'm just trying to pull this up on my phone. I need to figure out how to show the Discord bubbles on stream when you guys are talking, so people on stream know who's talking.
Yo, BLM is doing numbers, bro. Wait till you see this chart. Holy shit. Oh, damn, someone dumped or some shit. Oh. Oh, never mind. It's a green candle. Shit.
You had a penny already?
Yeah, baby, we're at a penny already. This thing's already done a 10x.
What? What? I don't even know.
Right. I think you're thinking the same thing. I'm thinking like, what?
I'm thinking, like, in what world does this even make any sense whatsoever? That's what I'm thinking.
How is it worth a penny though? Are people just buying them off you, or are they actually buying them on the market?
No, that's on the market, bro. They're market buying the shit.
So you just like
See.
you put the liquidity up there, and they're just buying it from the pool.
Yep.
Hope you get mega rich, buddy.
People buy it to put it in the. There's no order book, right? It goes into a pool. I think
Basically,
that's
yeah.
how.
So me and Horseman have provided like most of the liquidity, and then everybody else who like I'm giving them a special deal if they want to buy some, to like add to the liquidity pool.
This is some first class degenerate stuff, man. It's like ridiculous. How does that even work? You create a coin this morning and people are just buying it. This is just like massive solid proof of like.
Scam coin was created as a joke, right? And it's worth like a lot now.
Oh my god! Just the fact that it's called scam coin and everyone just wants to buy it, it's just
I
insane, man.
remember. I remember years ago, back when there wasn't this many coins, people started Ethereum. I think had just come out or something, and someone just as a joke created Panda Coin, and that thing took off. And at one point, it was like $300 million. It was worth or something. Like the market cap was like 300 or 500 million. It was pretty crazy. The day and age we live in, Kitoy.
Seriously insane, man.
Yeah, I saw that ARR thing was ripping on Twitter. They're saying it was the new Dogecoin, the new meme.
This is like even more crazy than like back in 17, man. This is just
Oh, it
ridiculous.
is. Yeah, it's even crazier.
It's just even crazy. It's mental, man. I mean, you know, like in 17, it was just like, what was it? What do you call it? Oh god, with the guy screaming, Trevon James and all
Oh,
them
yeah,
crew.
yeah, the BitTorrent too.
The bit, what was it called? Oh man, I can't remember the name of it now.
It was BitTorrent.
No, it's not BitTorrent. That's the downloading thing, isn't it? It's BitConnect.
BitConnect. There you go. Yeah.
Just massive,
No, I
crazy
kept
scam.
BitConnect, dude.
Trevon James and all his mates.
SYP? What is this, Justo? Which one are you talking about? We talking about the German market? I don't ever know which one to click on when they're not on the US market. Yeah, like this doesn't give me anything. I have SYPR. I'm not sure which one you're talking about. What's it at now, King? It's a fucking penny and a half.
Dude,
How
this
do you
thing's gonna
buy?
go. I got so many people that are about to add liquidity to the pool.
What can you buy BNB on Coinbase? Or does it have to be like you have to go through Binance?
No idea.
Back in my day, it was only Binance, but I think you can get it on a few places now, can't you? BNB.
I have crypto.com and I have
Yeah, the
Coinbase.
SPY 4-hour buy signals. If it closes like that, dude, breaking resistance is pretty gross. Somebody in YouTube chat said only Binance.
Oh, I can buy it on crypto.com on their app. I'm still within the 30 days too, so I can get it for 0 fees. I got 2 days left.
Bitcoin looks pretty strong here. Just needs to reclaim that 51,000. 1 hour buy signal finally coming in for Bitcoin. It actually closed last candle.
AJ, realistically, how much with a 4-hour buy signal do you think SPY could make a move by the end of next week?
Can I use MetaMask on PancakeSwap?
I mean, the last time a 4-hour buy signal broke resistance like this, it fucking went on a tear.
Yeah, it was like March 27th.
Yeah.
March 26th.
I mean, I'd say realistic 4-hour target because it's a longer term. Probably like 422 to 23.
By the end of next week.
Oh, the end of next week?
Like 420.
Yeah, 420 to 422 I think is okay. If you're going for a breakout trade like that, I would probably just stick to like a 30 or 40 delta. Whatever Friday's telling you a 30 or 40 delta is. I'm guessing it's going to be somewhere around 23.
Yeah, that's 420.
Is it? And what delta is that?
35.
That seems a little low, yeah. That's not bad.
421 is 28. 422 is 23. 420 is 35.
So
419 is 41.5.
They're not anticipating. Oh, it's because it's selling off so hard right here. Probably that's helping for sure. I was gonna say they're not anticipating a big move. You can use MetaMask on Pancake too.
You can?
That's what somebody's saying. Doodle and Slayer are saying. You can use MetaMask, but you need to set up Binance Smart Chain Network. It's an easy 2-minute tutorial.
Yeah, I just clicked on MetaMask on PancakeSwap, and it brought me to a screen where it said it wanted to like add the network.
Berkshire doesn't look too bad. You're trying to break resistance on the daily. If it can break above like 273, it looks pretty solid. You're in a daily buy from a long time ago, 4-hour buy, 1-hour buy, 15-minute buy. Every time frame's a buy, so it looks pretty bullish. One minute ES sell signal came in, selling off a little bit. What's Pancake at now, Doodle?
All right, guys, I'm out. Have a good one.
Have a good weekend.
Later.
Hey, thanks, Slayer. The bot probably blocked you there. Be careful with links. I'll grab that link. That 1-minute sell is fucking sending ES down. It's melting. Melting. Look at it. I say melting. I'm on a 1-minute chart. It's down like 3 points. 5-minute sell coming in now. No 15-minute sell just yet, so still just a weak pullback.
I just sold again next week.
Man, I've had a headache all fucking day. Sorry guys, I'm not talking too much. Be exhausted. been a long week. The TikTok scam video, scam coin video, and the dude's response, no, I didn't. Was that the guy that like thought he was worth like $50 million, but he couldn't actually sell any of his coins? Fucking guy, dude. I'm just laughing my ass off thinking about how people who wanna follow the book, right, and talk to their tax guy about how they made that money, King. It's gonna be fucking hilarious. Yeah, send it to me on Twitter, dude. I'll take a look.
Oh, that's neat. I can sync MetaMask on my phone from the extension from Chrome.
I'm not even on Twitch, Doodle. Let me pull it up. I use a Restream for my chat.
The Metagross, however, is going to try and...
Where do I even see whispers? Oh, here we go. Is this safe for stream?
Scam.
Seems like it's alright.
So
Alright, hold on.
I just did a thing. I just did this because fuck it, why not? Went to the lab, good old BSC scan, and I made this token, simple, cool, automatic money, or scam. This was in the first like 10 minutes, right? Now look, I'm gonna show y'all what it is right now. What the fuck? Coin only been out an hour, $70 million market
What are you
cap.
doing?
Bro, I did this with no promo. This is the first time anybody's hearing about it. This coin is an hour old, my nigga. Do you see this? Oh yeah, get in where you
What's
fit
the
in.
supply?
I ain't
Is
telling
that
you gamble,
billion?
but, hey, I made the coin. You do you. Scam coin.
Is
So I
that
just
trillion
did a
or
thing.
billion? Holy shit. This guy, dude. Yeah, but has he actually made any money? Was he able to sell any? That's the thing with all these coins. You look like you're making money, but you can't actually sell it. It's like having a painting in your house worth $50 million.
If nobody has a 50 million, you ain't gonna.
Well, if
get any.
nobody wants that fucking painting, you ain't getting $50 million. It's like the Pokemon card thing. Well, it's not a very good example because there is a supply and demand for those, but like some Pokemon cards are extremely expensive, but they're only expensive to the people that want to buy them, like big collectors. So you have to find somebody to sell that card to actually make that money. Pretty nasty sell-off on ES15. Look at what it did. If I turn off the take profits here, you can see it. It came up, tried to break the resistance and failed. And now we're nuking. That's why it's giving you a take profit here, because you're failing resistance. Got about 2 minutes left, and then it's the weekend. Yeah, the indicator is finding the resistance. These red lines and green lines. The indicator is doing that. Everything you see on my screen is from the bot.
Bitcoin is almost 251.
ES is not liking that level. I'm guessing the 4-hour buy turned off. No, 4-hour ES is closed. What about SPY? It's still on. It will probably turn off if this keeps selling. If it doesn't turn off, I would ignore that signal anyway because it hasn't broken the trend. How's the weekly looking on these charts? Let's see. That's not a very good weekly on SPY. Top doji, not so good. Same thing on Qs. What about SPY? So Bitcoin and Ethereum actually don't close until Sunday. So we can't look at the weeklies on those. As of right now, though, not looking too good on the weekly candles for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, very toppy. Nice bounce. Yeah, definitely was a nice bounce. How disgusting would it be if it just goes right back down? I'm telling you, on crypto, it did this for multiple days. It was sickening. Apple going higher. I think all tech looks really good as long as you get a little bit of confirmation early next week, Monday, Tuesday. See a strong bounce. They have buy signals on most time frames. They don't look too bad. Tesla selling off. Oh, sorry, that's Amazon. Where's Tesla? Tesla not doing too bad. Amazon selling off, losing that trend. But all right, guys, I got a massive headache. It's been a hell of a week. Make sure if you guys are using the bot, I released a new version today. So make sure to take it off your chart. Save your layout. Turn off TradingView. Restart TradingView. And then put it back on your layout. Sadly, that's like the only way to get the new version because TradingView is pretty lame. But the new version of the bot has no known bugs. So it's like bug free, I think, knock on wood. So you guys are free to test as much as you want. It shouldn't really have any bugs or any issues. If you guys find any bugs, let me know. We'll get those fixed as soon as possible. Summary of markets coming out on Sunday, same time as always, probably around 3-4 p.m. Eastern. I'm also going to have a video on the bot coming out this weekend for the Discord guys. It will be kind of like a tips and tricks video, like little like a checklist of things that you should do when a bot gives you a buy or sell, like things you can look for confluence, stuff like that. How to read the multi-time frame strategy. So I'm going to make that probably on Saturday or Sunday. So be on the lookout for that. I think that's pretty much it. If you guys have any good trades with the bot, make sure to put it in the bot channel. If you guys have any questions, put them in the bot channel as well. And that's it. I'll see you guys Monday. I'll be streaming 3 p.m. Eastern every day next week, Monday through Friday. If you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Like the video on YouTube. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace.